Krapow moo. Yeah, so that's garlic and chili. Little carrot. Just a little spicy, right? Yeah. And there's the pork. Now this stuff goes out here, like the little stuff that she just threw out, goes out the window because there are chickens out there. So all the little scraps go out the window and the chickens pick at it. There's two ways to do this. One is you use ground. The typical way is minced or ground pork. But the other way is with just sliced up pork. I like both. Water. Really? When she's... Yeah, that's what I do, same. You're gonna eat a cup of noodles when she's fixing Krapow moo. You eat a cup of noodles. Really?
Yeah.
Really?
Keegan want to eat.
Oh, Keegan. This is Nan. This is Far's younger sister.
Hello.
From Australia. Good English, right? Yes.
A little bit.
Little bit. No, you're pretty good.
Thank you.
All right. Oh, and that's the oyster sauce. That's the secret ingredient in Krapow moo.
Yeah.
This is like chef style. Onions. You want them to be still pretty crispy. Okay.
I think so.
Not spicy enough for you though.
No.
No? And now, the big secret ingredient, the basil, or holy basil they call it. That's what makes it, that's what gives it the very distinctive flavor. And the way she does it, by putting the different things in at different times, they come out, because sometimes if you get like Krapow moo in a restaurant, it's like they just throw everything in, so the basil is really it's like fried, where this is like more like sautéed. Hmm? I don't know if I can eat all that.
Yeah, you have to eat all that.
Just do one egg. Just one egg. Oh, you already have two. Okay, I'll take them. All right. And there is my breakfast.
Hello, darling.
Hi, Keegan. Are you eating cup of noodles? You're gonna eat cup of... Yes, you got your spoon. Yeah. Yes. How old are you, Keegan? How old? How many years? Say something.
No.
Can I?
No. Never see.
Okay.
This spoon for